Good morning, everyone. I have a 3-page paper due today, so let's see how I get started. My first thing is obviously having my green tea by AI Humanizer out. I currently use Walter Wright's AI, and I'm going to show you how I use it. I like to just use chatgpt, write me a nice paragraph, and then I go on to Walter Wright's AI. I click Humanize AI text, detect AI text, or even more tools, which is coming soon. But using AI text and humanizing it, I just paste my work here. I can click the readability, the purpose of it, and then all you have to do is click humanize and scan. Literally in seconds, it just rehumanizes your work, scans for AI, and look at that. There's no AI found. As a college student, where was this when I was a freshman? Because this is generally the biggest life changer. If you use this, use my code Elisa for 30% off, and it's free. It's a free AI humanizer.